Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best spin mops available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have O-Cedar Spin Mop. This exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing. While Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. The EasyWring Microfiber Mop Head is machine-washable and reusable. This EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively also capture dirt and grime with just plain water, that's eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. It comes with a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches. Anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. At number 5 we have Hurricane Spin Mop. It's not just a mop, it's an entire cleaning system that spins away germ-filled dirty water away. This spinning microfiber mop heads grab liquid and messes so you're not pushing the mess, but actually picking it up in the microfiber fingers. They're super absorbent and pick up 10x its weight in dirty unsanitary liquid. The gross liquid is trapped inside the microfiber and does not drip. This spin mop lays flat so you'll never have to bend over and move furniture. You can easily reach under your tables, sofas and more without having to move anything. There's no more back-breaking work. At number 4 we have Tsmine Spin Mop. Tsmine Spin Mop bucket has stronger spin wringing performance than those work with pedal. So the mop head wrings drier, save efforts and is more durable. This luxury spin mop system has 2 wheels, 1 pull handle, 1 carry handle. That's bringing extra comfort to the disabled and people who cannot manage heavy weight. Also have 1 drainage plug for draining water and 1 detergent dispenser for dirtier floor. It come with 6 microfiber spin mop refills head. It has super thin microfiber with great absorbent ability, perfect for laminate, hardwood, tile, glass, etc. This household cleaning can be easily done with Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket Cleaning System. At number 3 we have Simply Spin Mop. The Simply Magic Spin Mop is ideal for home, kitchen, auto, hotels, restaurants, salons, etc. This easy-to-use spin mop is made for high-efficiency floor cleaning and features a stainless steel wringer. Also included is a soap dispenser for your cleaning chemicals and 4 premium microfiber mop heads. This mop heads are made with microfiber technology and hold 8x their weight in water. They are super absorbent and pick up water in an instant. This spin mops are made to provide your household or workplace with streak-free and squeaky clean floor. At number 2 we have Simply Spin Mop. The Simply Magic Spin Mop with bucket is like a washing machine for your mop. It features a built-in washing spinner in the bottom of bucket. The spin mop's wringer basket is made of durable stainless steel. It's easy to use, just push down handle for spinning and wringing. It also features a built-in and removable easy-to-fill soap dispenser. It has sliding handle and wheels on the bottom of bucket, allows for easy moving from one room to the next. At number 1 we have MASTERTOP Spin Mop. This spin mop bucket are made of durable stainless steel and PP with 2 light wheels and in total 3 pieces mop pad. You can open the locking buckle in the handle before rotation. When you need to throw away the dirty water you only need to put down the drain hose. This MASTERTOP Spin Mop bucket system is detachable and composable. The bucket can divide 2-part and compose together to save space. It comes with the 360 rotating of head mop, can reach any difficult corners and places in your home, shower stalls and on the glass. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best spin mops for your need.